Breeley. We should do
It's not called Nevaeh and Breeley. It's called Carly and Breeley.
No, it's on your channel, Nevaeh and Breeley. And this is base. These are bases. So, wait, we're doing a slime fight. We're doing a slime fight. And if we get on the beds like this, it's base. So these are the bases. We cannot get hit while we're on bases. So I have this type of slime.
She has the hard slime. I'm gonna get a hard slime.
I have this type of slime.
You gotta put it in the camera. It's hard. It hards when it hits.
She has that kind of slime.
And I have this one. It's so
We
soft.
can be on ridiculous.
So I'm getting into this one.
We should be on ridiculous. So ready, set.
No, I'm on base.
So guys, ready,
You can only-
set. I'm on base.
We can't be on the same base because if we are, we're gonna hit each other.
No, then stay on your own base.
No, that base is
My
mine.
butt hurts though. Okay, let me get on my own base. Guys, help me.
Okay, we gotta get off
Guys,
base.
ready? No, we have to jump onto our sides a little bit.
We gotta get off
Ready,
base now.
set, go. Bye.
We can't leave the camera.
Okay, ready, set, boom. Don't get my hair. Don't, not in the face or in the hair.
You can't let it drop. She left.
If we leave the room, that means give us a break. Uh-oh. Don't, you can't hit me when we're outside the room.
No, that ain't fair.
You got it all in my hair.
No, I didn't.
You made me drop my slime.
You can't get. Okay, you get out. I just locked her out of the room.
I'm gonna bust through.
Wait.
I'm on base. Take a sweat. Because I'm on base.
No, you can't be on base. There's no more bases.
Yes, there is. Because you're mean. Ow, stop. I will throw this video off. I don't know how I'm going to throw it off, but it's going to happen. So, bye. I'm on my base. Get on yours. Ooh,
But let's stop jumping on beds because that ain't my bed.
you hurt my head.
Yeah, you hurt my ear. I just got my ear pierced.
And
And
head
this
is
one is
burning.
infected.
it is.
This one's been infected. Whoop. Oh yeah, the camera's still going.
Oh, hi guys. Bloopers. 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 Don't look. I thought you were in front of the camera. No. Bloopers. Bloopers.
They saw each
Earlier I held her down and I beat her butt.
When?
Earlier with the slime. Stop. Let me get it. Bloopers.
Get off the beds. That ain't my bed. Get off my. Don't get on my bed either. Don't get on my bed. Don't get on my bean bag.
I want to sleep. Okay? Okay?
Let's go bring this. Wait. We gotta put our slimes back in. I'm mixing
I
the
want to play with
slime.
that one for a minute.
No, I'm mixing the slime with it.
Let's get a big slime. Let's make a big batch of that.
No, leave that in there. Look, we're fixing to go do something. Bring your camera.
No. She done ran down the stairs. She's outside. I'm going. So, yeah. She went outside. So we're not telling her. So guys, she done ran outside. Oh my god. I saw you run that way, so I figured you might have ran over there. I'm just talking to the camera while she's trying to climb a tree. Once again, trying. Okay, there's a giant spider under you, so beware, watch out. I think that's a black widow.
What?
I think The thing looks like Black Widow.
You're scared of spiders?
Yeah. Are you
I
not?
like them.
Here, hold my camera.
Are you getting up here?
Yeah.
Oh no.
How are you gonna reach it? I'm in a dream. I live in the Muser jungle.
Well, she tries to climb a tree. Wait. While this person tries to climb a tree, I'm just here like, what you doing? Help me. And she said, there's a Black Widow. Ooh, I'm not scared of it. I hurt my foot. Hey! It smells like popcorn! Nice mom for some popcorn.
Move, I'm gonna climb up onto you. I want bacon. Give me my camera.
No.
Give it to me now.
It's not a camera, it's a phone.
Give it to me, seriously, Lavelle.
Okay.
No! Do it.
Bye, guys.
Really? Sure, I don't care. All we'll be doing is face down in the dirt.
Where are you going?
We're going inside.
Why?
Too hot out here.
It's not hot for me.
I smell bacon.
I'm making me some bacon in the bag.
Can I have some?
Yeah, as soon as I get ready, I'll get you some. Some bacon, some eggs, and some biscuits. What are y'all doing out there?
Just playing
The slime's on.
with that cool slime. I wonder if it has some slime. You put every slime up. And you told me you could have the one that you mixed into the other thing.
You can have some that I'm making later.
Are you not sharing your slime?
I'm making some more. I have the whole bunch. Now I have a big thing. You know the one that's in the baby thing? Like that?
Yeah.
Can I give you some of that?
Let's go play with it.
No.
You got slime stuff
Play
right
with it. Why
here.
didn't you play with it?
We did a slime fight.
I'm like, nobody's playing with it.
Well,
We did a slime fight with some slime.
Is your camera still going?
Yep.
the baby's all asleep.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for being big girls and helping.